Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother printer driver and how to install. So this model number is brother MFC-T920DW. So open any browser's Google search box to type like that, and this is the first URL support.brother.com. This is officially, so no worry about that, just click on it. So different OS also there, Linux and mobile, Mac, Windows. So Windows, select the overall operating system. Windows 10 also there's 32 and 64 bit. Server also there. Okay. Yeah. So all the operating system but installations driver download process same. Okay. Then click to OK. After that, 4 driver easy setup. This is full software package. So you can see if you require the driver with software also, so you have to click to download. Otherwise you require only printer driver and scanner driver, so just click on it. Yeah, then click on download, agree and download, and wait few seconds, it will start downloading in the download box. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to extract same download locations. So if you are confused about this, click on open locations. So this is extract. So copy, come on desktop, right click. Okay, I think this is already okay. Right click, paste, just double click, it will create same folder on same locations. Okay, and this is just double click to open. This is your driver and then close it. Now your printer connect to your laptop and desktop via printer USB cable. After doing that, click to start and then click on setting, then click the printer and device, then printer and scanner, and then click to add device. So after doing that, you have to wait only 5 minutes. After that, it will come manual options, add manual device, and then add local and printer, and then click to next. Select the printer port by default 1 and then next. Okay, then click to have disk, browse, and find out this desktop. Okay, and select this inf first file and then open, then click to OK. Now you have to find this mfc mfc 920. Okay, this one, then next. Now this is installing the driver. Okay, this is installed, then again next. This is test page. If you click on this, it will test page will get from printer, then click to finish. Okay, so a printer is installed. Thank you so much.